Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer files with Box, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer files with Box, start by visiting the Box. Sign into your Box account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the folder where you want to upload your files. To upload a file, click on the Upload button, usually located at the top of the screen. Select the files you want to transfer from your device. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac while clicking on your files. After selecting your files, click Open to start the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. A progress bar will indicate the status of the upload. Once the files are uploaded, you will see them listed in your Box folder. To share the files, select the file you want to share and click on the Share button. You can choose to share via a link or directly with specific email addresses. If sharing via a link, adjust the sharing settings to control access permissions. Click Copy Link to get the shareable link for the file. If sharing via email, enter the recipient's email address and any message you want to include. Finally, click Send to share the files with your selected recipients. You have now successfully transferred and shared files using Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.